Do you have an error with the OnTopReplica Resource Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get OnTopReplica Proj working again. Before starting the detailed OnTopReplica Resource Library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the OnTopReplica Resource Library, the localized resource library for the OnTopReplica utility, which clones windows and keeps them on top. It houses the UI strings and icons. If missing, the application will display generic error codes or a UI with missing labels, preventing the user from cloning desktop regions. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. OnTopReplica Resources is a third-party application file associated with OnTopReplica Proj. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of OnTopReplica Proj will restore the correct version of this file. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the OnTopReplica Resource Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Remember that OnTopReplica Resource Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing OnTopReplica Resource Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve OnTopReplica Resource Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.